Hey everybody, welcome back. Happy Sunday. So today I am going to be doing a little video of me doing my hair. I am going to be crimping it because as the last video y'all seen, I curled my hair and it's still curly. So I'm going to be crimping my hair and showing you how I do it. So first we're gonna get the brush, and then I have this like little pig thing. I'm parting my hair because like I'm gonna start from the top and crimp it, and then we're gonna be using some heating shield. And make sure you use some heating shield because you don't want to damage your hair or ruin your hair or anything like that. So I got some heating shield and some of this bed head I used last video. And we're gonna put mine on. So this is not my first time crimping my hair. Last time I crimped my hair, I didn't do like from the top down. Okay, so I'm gonna take my clip off and I'm crimping my hair because today's Sunday and I'm going to church tonight. I already went this morning and I did not curl my hair. So, cause yesterday I curled my hair and then I braided my hair for bed for like nighttime. And I woke up and my hair was already curly, so I'm like, I had no time to curl my hair. So I'm like, I have no time to curl my hair. I am just gonna hurry up, throw it, it looks okay. And we're just gonna make it on time. Because I did not want to be late. I only got dressed in like 5 minutes. I wore a Valentine's like sweater, but I got hot. So I took it off when we came home and I put this black shirt and my blue jean dress. So, and then some of this. You don't want to put in, I don't put any at the top of my hair because it makes my hair look oily. But you want to like, what I do is like I'll part the side and I'll do one side first and then I'll do the other side. So like I part it and then I'm gonna put this side up in a ponytail. And then the other side up in like a little bun. And then this side I'm gonna like part. So when I crimp it, it's parted. But I always try to do like a little bit at the top. I'm probably not doing this right, but normally people at my church, like the girls, they don't really crimp their hair. It's mostly like they curl it or straighten it or do like some type of hairstyle. Yeah. I like crimping. I like crimping my hair. And I'm like, I might have my mom help me. cute. I like that. It's like curling, but it's not. Like, it's like curl, like you, what, it's like you're gonna curl your hair, but you're not curling your hair. You're just making it wavy. Which technically, I don't even have to crimp my hair. My mom can just Dutch braid it. And I take a shower and then I let it dry for like 5 minutes. And then she Dutch braids it. And then, like, I leave it in there. And then the next day, I take it out and it's like I crimped my hair. But with braids. And my natural hair is real what, curly hair. I even have a picture I can show y'all. I'll show y'all real fast. Crap, I can't, never mind. But it's like, my hair is like really curly. And then as I got older, my hair has gotten wavier. And then it's just like half straight, half wavy. So. And it's only 1:06. And then we have to leave here in an hour. It's a good thing I'm doing it now. I'm gonna leave it in here for 7 seconds. So. Okay. This is the last part on the lower side. And then I might have my mom help me on the other side. Because it's like one side I'm really good at, and then the other side I can't do. But this is the first time I've ever crimped my hair and wore it somewhere. Like, I'm not wearing it down. I'm just, like, putting it in a clip like y'all seen. And I'm not going to comb it out. Because I don't want to ruin it. Because some people do. I'm not. That looks so cute. It's just that my hair is just like wavy. That's all. That's so cute. I like that. Don't look. It's just wavy hair. I like it. It's so cute. Okay, now we're gonna start from the top. We're gonna split it in half. I'm gonna move that side over here. Start on this side. I'm gonna do my little, oh gosh, I hate doing it on top of my head. Okay. This part didn't really turn out that good, so I'm gonna erase it because it's like not I didn't have it on there long enough. No, we got this side. That ratted up somehow. Perfect. One side of my face is like red because all that heat. It looks so good. I like it. It looks so cute. And then now, it's this side, which I'm kind of scared because I'm so glad I did not break my mirror. Yo, my face is so red now. It's hard to like on this side. And plus my hair is a lot longer because some people, when like their hair is like long. So my other shirt I wore to church had my perfume on it. And I put some on my dress. But you couldn't like, it didn't really smell like my perfume. So I'm gonna put more, but I'm gonna put the 50. Okay, so I have like, I don't even know how many Sol de Janeiros. Like 6, 7. I have 7 Sol de Janeiros. And I'm probably gonna put either the 71 or 59. I'm probably gonna do the 59. Or the 68, I don't know. What time is it? It's 1:14. I depend. I might get done at 1:40 before 1:40. Well, I have to do my face. Not like, I'm not doing my skincare. I'm just doing like, I don't know. I hate when this happens. Okay. So I'm almost done. Okay, y'all, I'm all done. This is what it looks like. I know it looks so good. I love it. Okay, now my mom's gonna tease my hair.
Okay, to make sure that was going. Okay, they can see, right?
Mm-hmm. So
how are you gonna have it teased? You want it on this side, or you gonna pull it back in the middle like that?
I'm gonna, like I had it
okay.
like that, and then I'm gonna put the clip like that, and I want it like poof up.
Okay, y'all. So usually what I do, tip your head back a little bit. Okay, is they have some powder that you can get, and unfortunately it is really pricey. And anyway, it's just like a white powder, and so I usually take just a little bit, and you could take that powder and you just sprinkle it on there, or you could use hairspray, but I don't really like to use hairspray unless I have to on their hair. But I don't have the powder, so just kind of bring it to where if you pull it like this, it's gonna come down. You want to get it real good and wild.
Now it's gonna look like,
and then put your head back a little.
A bird's nest.
Yeah.
A horse mane.
Yeah, I just grab a little piece and you hold it pretty tight, and you just kind of, you're bringing it down.
Feels like you're pulling my head.
I'll probably do about 3 little sections, and then I'll go to the other side.
And then I'll pull it back, and she'll like comb it down.
Yeah.
And then she'll do like right here.
Then we'll
like one piece,
get the
2
reveal
piece.
and see how it looks. Okay. So I got all that over there, right?
Yeah. Oh, my little curls.
And like I said, y'all, it's a little harder to do it when you don't. Here.
It looks like a horse mane. Oh no, my little babies. No.
When you don't have that powder, and like I said, I'm not using anything, no hairspray or anything like that.
My hair is like really ratty.
Okay. I'm just doing little bitty pieces.
I'm going to a movie show, y'all. I'm going to the red carpet.
Maybe one day you'll go to a YouTube premiere.
Yes. Yes, I hope. No, not the movie.
I have to.
That's what I did to my brush. I took it, I was combing my hair, and it blinged on my mirror, and it bounced on me. I'm glad I did not break my mirror. Some of these pieces are easy. And now?
So then you're just going to kind of
comb it down just a little bit. I know how to tease, but I'm not very good at it.
Then you can kind of see when you put your hand back there. You just want to make it to where it doesn't look like it has a ratty situation. Kind of make me think Mary going to try to go back to the 90s and the 80s maybe.
Yep. No.
Okay, y'all. I'm going to have her go ahead and do her hair so I make sure it stays right. Okay.
So we're going to like pull this back.
Yeah.
And then I grab like more, like from the other, both sides. More. If I can grab it. And then like I take my hand through it.
Or you have this brush if you need it.
What I do is I take my clip and I'll poof it up, and then I poof it like that, and then I bring it down my sides, and it looks like
Like the
I
90s
use
or the 80s.
the powder. So yeah, thank you. So yeah, that's my little hair tutorial for when I get ready to go to church. And now we're gonna put just a little bit. I said a little bit of blush on, just a little bit. So before we leave, I'm gonna wipe it off. But I'm gonna do it like to where you like it's not as sparkly. My nose is gonna be very sparkly. I'm gonna get hit by a glitter bomb. Actually, no, I'm not, because it's Sunday. I really don't. It just makes your face sparkle. And then it makes it look like you just got hit by a glitter bomb. I'm not gonna put no mascara on because I don't wear mascara on a Sunday. And then normally, so my nose is like really sparkly. I just take a brush that I don't really use, and I just like kind of like smear it in my nose. So now my nose ain't as sparkle. And I take this eyebrow brush thingy-majigger and I smooth out my eyebrows. My little highlighter, and I just put barely some on the sides. And voila. And then I take some lip gloss and put on some lip. And then now the scent for church is gonna be my 59 Sol de Janeiro. I love this smell. Okay, so now if I can get my foot out, we're gonna do a little fit check. So my dress is from Belk. My shirt is from, I don't even know. My clip is from, I have no clue. My highlighter is from, I don't know. My nails are from Ulta. My watch is from, I don't know. And my rings are from Cato's. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Bye. And make sure you keep spreading kindness. Bye.